Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of patents. Today's key term is compulsory licenses. Okay, friends, till now we have discussed up to form number 16 and its relevant sections and rules. Okay, so now it's the turn for form number 17. Okay, and the key term for form number 17 and its relevant sections and rules is compulsory licenses. Fine. So compulsory licenses, or what is so here we will try to analyze what is compulsory licensing in a literal way and how it is significant in the world of patents. Okay. Okay, so next, in the next slide we will try to analyze the literal meaning and the meaning in the patent world. Fine, let us proceed. Friends, as we know that the key term for form number 17 is compulsory licenses, so you can see here that compulsory license indicates form number 17. Fine. So now we will see what does it mean literally. Okay. So compulsory means that must be done, plus license, compulsory license. Okay, so what is the meaning of license? License is an official permission to do, use or own something. Now this is the literal meaning of compulsory license or compulsory licensing. Now we will see how compulsory license is defined in case of, or we can say in the world of patents. Okay, so let us see. A compulsory license is an official permission by the government allowing someone else to produce the patented product or process without the consent of the patent owner. Fine. So you can very easily differentiate between the literal meaning of the compulsory licensing and the meaning in the world of patents. Fine. Then form number 17. The title is Application for Compulsory License. Okay. Here the related sections are 84, 91, 92, 92A. And the related rule is only one, that is rule number 96. So we will discuss briefly about all the sections. Section 84 is compulsory licenses. Section 91 is licensing of related patents. Section 92, special provision for compulsory licenses on notification by central government. Section 92A, compulsory license for export of patented pharmaceutical products in certain exceptional circumstances. Fine. And rule number 96 says application for compulsory license, etc. So here the keyword is no need to explain. The keyword here is compulsory license. Fine. Next we'll proceed to form number. Well, after refreshing our memory from the last slide where we discussed about the relationship between form number 17 and its relevant sections and rules, then we will go to a particular or a specific section and will discuss detail about it. Okay, so today I have taken section 92A, which comes from chapter 16. The title of chapter 16 is Working of Patents, Compulsory Licenses and Revocation. Okay, and friends, one thing here, section 92A has a title Compulsory License for Export of Patented Pharmaceutical Products in Certain Exceptional Circumstances. Okay, so let us go deeper into it and we'll have a very good explanation about this section in the further slides. Fine. Now, the keywords, the key terms or the key phrases of subsections of section 92A that we will discuss now. So I have picked some key phrases here as per my intellect, my convenience. You can choose your own. Okay, so in total, section 92A has three subsections. Okay, so the key phrase for subsection 1 is patented pharmaceutical products. The key phrase for subsection 2 is a compulsory license solely for manufacture and export. And the key phrase for subsection 3 is pharmaceutical products produced under a compulsory license can be exported. Okay, so just try to remember these things, and you can just recall the specific subsections of the particular section 92A. Okay, so let us discuss in detail in the further slides. Okay, fine. Subsection 1 says compulsory license shall be available for manufacture and export of patented pharmaceutical products to any country having insufficient or no manufacturing capacity in the pharmaceutical sector for the concerned product to address public health problems, provided compulsory license has been granted by such country or such country has by notification or otherwise allowed importation of the patented pharmaceutical products from India. Okay, so friends, here the key phrase is patented pharmaceutical products. So as in our title of this particular section, we have seen that it emphasizes more on the pharmaceutical products. Fine. So here in subsection 1, the key phrase is patented pharmaceutical products. So let us have a look here. Here also, friends, we can have the relevant rules such as 62, 96, 97 and 98. Okay, so what is rule 62? Rule 62, the title of rule 62 is hearing. The title for rule 96 is application for compulsory license, etc. The title for rule 97 is when a prima facie case is not made out. The title for rule number 98 is Notice of Opposition under section 87 subsection 2, and form 17 is Application for Compulsory License. Okay. So here friends, you can see one thing. This is the, we can say, the secondary key phrase. So where it is mentioned here to address public health problems. Fine. And another important words are such as allowed importation of the patented pharmaceutical products from India. Okay. So in a very simple way, I will try to explain the whole subsection. Just listen carefully. Okay. Compulsory license shall be available for manufacture and export of patented pharma products to a country having insufficient capacity in the pharma sector for the concerned product, provided the country allows the importation of the patented pharma products from India via notification or compulsory license is granted in that country. So this is the simple meaning of subsection 1. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Still I will read the subsection again so that you can grasp it very well. Fine. Okay. Compulsory license shall be available for Compulsory license will be available for what? For manufacture and export of patented pharmaceutical products. Fine. To any country. Fine. Having to which country? Those countries have insufficient or no manufacturing capacity in the pharmaceutical sector for the particular concerned product to address public health problems. The main objective here is to address public health problems. Provided, that means what is provided? Provided compulsory license has been granted by such country or such country has by notification or otherwise allowed importation of the patented pharmaceutical products from India. Fine. So I hope now it is pretty much clear. Friends, also I would like to tell you one thing. Here you can see there is a single star mark and the square bracket. It started now. Okay. I will tell you the meaning of this at the end of this end of all the subsections actually. Okay, why? That I will tell at that time. Fine. Okay, so let us proceed. Subsection 2. The controller shall, on receipt of an application in the prescribed manner, grant a compulsory license solely for manufacture and export of the concerned pharmaceutical product to such country under such terms and conditions as may be specified and published by him. Fine. So here the key phrase is a compulsory license solely for manufacture and export. Okay. So friends, the very simple meaning of this subsection I would like to tell you, just listen carefully. Okay. On receipt of application, the controller grants a compulsory license solely for manufacture and export of the pharma product to the needy country under such terms and conditions as published by him. Perfect. So I think it is pretty clear now. No need to explain more. Okay. And here in the note I have given here, this is actually an example. Just have a look at it. NATCO was the first company to have filed for a compulsory license under section 92A for Roche's anti-cancer drug Tarceva erlotinib and Pfizer's renal cancer drug Sutent. Okay, so just you can remember it and you can search for it for the details in any search engine. Okay friends, so let us proceed for the next subsection. Subsection 3. This says the provisions of subsections 1 and 2 shall be without prejudice to the extent to which pharmaceutical products produced under a compulsory license can be exported under any other provision of this Act. Explanation is, for the purposes of this section, pharmaceutical products means any patented product or product manufactured through a patented process of the pharmaceutical sector needed to address public health problems and shall be inclusive of ingredients necessary for their manufacture and diagnostic kits required for their use. Okay. So here the key phrase is pharmaceutical products produced under a compulsory license can be exported. Okay. So friends, I would like to express this whole subsection in my simple way. Just listen. Pharmaceutical products, okay, equal to, we can say, any patented product or product manufactured through a patented process of the pharma sector to address public health problems. Also includes pharmaceutical products inclusive of ingredients necessary for their manufacture and diagnostic kits required. That means pharmaceutical products will also include the ingredients necessary for their manufacture and diagnostic kits also. Diagnostic kits required. Okay, that's why here it is mentioned. I'm reading it again to have a clear understanding. Okay. The provisions of subsections 1 and 2 shall be without prejudice to the extent to which pharmaceutical products produced under a compulsory license can be exported under any other provision of this Act. What is the explanation of this? For the purposes of this section, pharmaceutical products means, so we can say pharmaceutical products equal to any patented product or product manufactured through a patented process of the pharmaceutical sector needed to address the public health problems and shall be inclusive. That means it includes the ingredients necessary for their manufacture and the diagnostic kits required for their use as well. Okay friends, and here just a second. Now you can see here the square bracket that was started in subsection 1 is ending here. There is a closed square bracket. Okay, and this means friends the whole section, that is section 92A, is inserted by Act 15 of 2005, section 55, with effective from 1st January 2005. Okay, that means the whole section is, the whole section is actually inserted. And one thing friends, just remember this thing, this section 92A as a whole respects paragraph 6 of Doha Declaration. Okay, and about these things I will definitely discuss in further lectures, and will try to prepare separate videos for this. Okay, so I hope friends all the three sections, all the three subsections of section 92A are very well explained, and yeah, please go through them, please go through the barrack as well, and if you have any questions, any queries, please put them down in the comment box. Okay, let us proceed then. So we have heard about the terms like voluntary license, compulsory license. Okay, so let me just compare between the two. Okay, so what is voluntary license? Voluntary license is an official paper that shows you are allowed to do or have something, or you have the permission to enter or use the property of another. Right? This is a simple. That means license means, in normal terms, whenever you utter the term license, it is voluntary license. Fine. And then what is compulsory license? Compulsory license, it is a legal document by which a bank, building, society, etc. lends money at interest in exchange for taking title of the debtor's property, with the condition that the conveyance of title becomes void upon the payment of the debt. Fine. So I hope now you can differentiate between these two. Fine. The reference is Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005, and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. So friends, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all for listening to me, and thank you all for watching my video. Stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you. Jai Hind.